RPI Athawale National Secretary MAHESHWAR THOUNAOJAM has criticized the incumbent MLAs of BJP and its allies for failing to form a popular government in the state, saying that the people should no longer listen to them. He was speaking at the joint meeting of the office bearers of RPI Youth Wing, Delhi, and Integrated Manipur Students Alliance, in short IMSA, at Safdarjung, New Delhi. Speaking further, Maheshwar highlighted the aspirations of the general public to install a popular government in the state and raised concern that the incumbent MLAs of BJP and its allies cannot fulfill the people's wish despite meeting party central leaders in Delhi. He added that the MLAs are now having decent voice among themselves following their return from Delhi. The RPI Athawale National Secretary also criticized the MLAs who take political advantage over the prevailing situation and tried to sway the public in the wrong direction.
Public chamam na hanbiganu vote ki matam di vote ki dum tawbiu vote ki matam da election ki electoral politics ki strategy dum thadabiu ado huji public me am ngori ngai timing sida akoi isa gi chatpam thopa ju chatpam ngam da timing sida public na yang wadi ngai timing sida political games hanaraga amana amam chamam na ba hotna ba akoi kangu na phai hai na ba amung thadorak pa awareness pi na ba thadorak pa sigum mayam se chamam na ba mayam se akoi gi public ta am chamam na han ba sarkar sem popular government ong sem ni mu hai sem moe mu hai yara e mu hai yarak te mu hai sigum mayam ama akoi the public chamam na han ba se si biganu haiduna mayam da haizari